But what if I didn't give you a situation and I just gave you a table? Oh no, I have a table. Don't worry, we can figure this out. So we have two things to look at. One, if I'm ever given a table, the way that it usually works, so ignore this, the way it usually works is that our independent variable is on the left and our dependent variable is on the right. Or you can look down here, which we've broken down a couple of times, and we say, listen, M in terms of C means that M is the dependent, and it's depending on our C, which is our independent. So that's our basic part there. By knowing what variable our independent and dependent is, we can now say, listen, how do we go from here to here? How do we go from here to here? It has to be the same way. So how do we go from 35, to 39? How do we go from 72, 35 to 76? Well, you got to remember, you have four basic math operations that we're going to talk about. We have addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. If I use division, I'd be a mean person. So we're going to ignore division for now. So it's one of these three. So now we're going to look. Well, if it starts at 35 and it gets bigger, I'm probably not subtracting. So it's either addition or multiplication. So let's see. I have 39 and I have 35. Let's subtract them, see what I get. Do. See, that's my subtraction noise. Now that you're watching this, you get to hear the noise I make every time I subtract. 10 minus 5 is 5. 9 minus 3 is 3. Bring down the decimal point. 8 minus 5 is 3. 365. But we're not done. I need to see if it's the same relationship. So, is 7235 plus 365 get you 76? 5 and 5 gives you 10. 1 and 6 is 7, plus 3 is 10. 1 and 3 is 4, plus 2 is 6. $76. And if I go through, I would see that I have to add 365 for every single problem. Okay? So what that means is if I was given C, I would add 365 to it to get M. So our official equation is M equals C plus 365. There we go.